Hello, my dear and lovely student. Welcome to Social Studies class. Today I will be discussing chapter number 15 and the name of the chapter is water. So, we all know what is water. We drink for drinking purpose. We use water for many purpose. We use water. In fact, I can say without water, nothing we can do. Okay. So, let us go in detail. We need water to wash our clothes and utensils. Yes, we need water to wash our clothes, utensils, that is vessels. Okay. So, after cooking, the vessels which come out with the dirt. Okay, come out with oiliness. Okay, that we wash with water. Okay, that is said to be a utensils. That vessel is said to be a utensil, and we wash our clothes too. Okay, not only clothes. When not only clothes, we wash ourselves with water itself. We take bath. Okay, we clean ourselves. Okay, so clothes are washed with water. Okay, so when your clothes become dirty, you give it to your mom or your aunties to wash the cloth. Okay, so water needs everywhere. Need of water is everywhere. Okay, we need water all the time. We cannot live without water. Yes, we need water all the time. Almost all the time we need water. Everywhere we need water. Without water, we cannot live. Not only we, animals, all living beings need water. In fact, plant, a cat also need water. Dogs also need. All the living beings on this earth need water to live. Okay, water is very important mineral. Okay, plant and animals also need water to live. Yes, plant and mineral also need water to live. Okay, so we need water to drink. We need water to clean ourselves. We drink water whenever you become thirsty. Whenever you get thirst, you drink water. Okay, so without water, you cannot. You cannot come up with your thirst. Okay, so you have to drink water. After drinking only water, you lower down your thirst. Okay. So we need water to cook food. While cooking food, have you seen your mother cooking food? Okay, while cooking food, simply vegetables, simply rice, she cannot cook. Okay, in a dry way, she cannot cook. She needs water. She pours water into the vessel, then it starts boiling, then the cooking process starts. Okay, so water is very important in our life. Without water, no living being can live. We must always drink clean water. Dirty water can make us ill. Boiling the water for 20 minutes kills all germs present in water. So, we must drink clean water, neat and clean water, germ-free water to save ourselves, okay, to safeguard ourselves, because the dirty water contains germs, okay, which makes us ill, which makes us to fall sick. Okay, so diarrhea you get drinking water, drinking dirty water. Okay, many kind of diseases you get after drinking dirty water. So you must always drink what? A clean and germ-free water. Okay, whether you filter it, nowadays many filters are there on the market. Okay, and otherwise you boil it for 20 minutes, that is 100 degrees Celsius. You have to boil it, the water, for water. Okay, for drinker, to make it for drinking purpose. Okay, 20 minutes you boil the water and keep aside to cool, and after that you drink that water. Okay, after boiling 20 minutes, it kills the heat. Okay, the heat kills, the warmth kills the germs which is present inside the water. Okay, so we get water from rain. Rainwater collects in ponds, lakes, streams, rivers and wells. So we get water from the sources of water are rain. Okay, so rain, we get clean water from rain, and from rain it get collected in rivers. Okay, rivers and ponds, then streams, then you can say wells. Okay, so water gets collected. Okay, collected in rivers and lakes and ponds. Okay, this water is clean for drinking. Yes, of course, rainwater is actually a very clean water, germ free. It becomes impure when it comes to the earth and mixes with the atmosphere pollution. That time it becomes impure. Okay, other than this, rainwater is the purest, one of the purest form of water, and it is the clean water. You can drink the rainwater, okay, but it doesn't mean that you go out and drink the rainwater whenever it is raining, catch and drink. It is not like that, okay. Sometimes because of the pollutions, okay, because of the pollutions which human being creates, okay, so when the rain falls from upward to downward, okay, the rain mixes with the pollutants and it comes down, okay, so at that time become it impure. Other than this, the rainwater is what? Pure form of water. Water is precious. We should never waste water. Always remember these rules. Yes, water is precious. Without water, no living being can live on this earth. Okay, so water is precious. We should we should remember that we have to save water for our next generation. You have heard about the scarcity of water nowadays because we are using lots of water. When we are going at the morning and washing our face, okay, at that time we open the tape and keep it up, okay. So the useless water, I mean the water which is which is not being used, okay, that becomes waste, that flows through the tape, okay. Simply when you take the water, take in a mug or whatever, from the tape you take it and close the tape, okay. From the mug you can use the water. Simply don't turn on the tape and go, okay. So whenever you want to use water, you open the tape, again you close, okay. So don't waste the water, okay. So store water in a clean vessel, close taps soon after use, keep water covered so that dust or flies do not settle in it, okay. As I already told you, store water in a clean vessels, okay, in a clean utensils, close tap as soon as after the use, okay. So keep water covered. Whenever you store a water in a vessel, cover that vessel so that flies cannot come and settle and sit on water, okay. So because it spread germs, okay. Suppose a house fly comes and drinks water. If you are keeping the water in an open vessel, if the house fly comes and drinks water, what happens at that time? The germs which are present on the house fly, that will transfer into the water, okay. Whether the water is pure, at that time the water becomes impure. So always close the vessel, always cover the vessel where you keep the water. Yes, or water is the most important characteristics of water is colorless, odorless and tasteless, okay. So water is neither sweet nor salty, okay. So water is colorless. Can you see any color in the water? If you take the water in a glass tumbler, it is transparent. Through the glass you can see from this side to that side, okay. If the glass is filled with water, still you can see because water is transparent. It is not a colored, okay. When you mix the color, at that time it becomes, if you mix the color of blue, that time it becomes, the water becomes blue in color. So water is colorless, tasteless and odorless, that is smellless. Water doesn't have any particular smell, okay. So if you add any essence or if you add any smell into the water, that time only water becomes smelly, okay. So it is tasteless. Here ends the discussion. If you have any queries, any doubts, any questions regarding this chapter, you can call me between 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. I'll clarify your doubts. Thank you.